is a program here at my campus that is able to tap into the issues that our students face.
We are a social justice class, and we talk about topics that aren't easy to talk about, aren't topics that we talk about in like an English class or like a math class. You really get to know people and you really got to dig deep.
Uni to me is about acceptance and respect and love and diversity. We talk about like our unique features of each person and what brings us all together as a student body and a community.
We try to make the world a better place, try to, make the students on our campus feel more welcome.
We just do everything in our power to change not only the students, but also like the staff members here. We just do our best to like change their lives and just fill their world with just love and positivity.
We also put into consideration that some kids that go to high school haven't had a childhood. So we like to mix in social justice and teaching stuff like that, as well as giving kids their childhood back and just playing fun games sometimes and like having a good time and making sure that everyone feels welcomed and belonged and together.
When I first heard about it, I was invited to a forum and I didn't want to go. So I was like, I don't know if it's going to impact me. And so I went and it really changed me. I never regret a second of it. Now it's helped me with interacting with people, talking with people, knowing how to deal with certain people.
Unity has impacted my life so many ways that I cannot even describe. Like, I am so in love with this class and the people that I'm here to share it with. The first day that I got invited to the Unity Forum, I really did not think I would have a good day that day, but it turns out that I did. I was just filled with so much love. Like, it was hands down probably one of the best days that I ever had. Maybe the best day of my life.
After I joined Unity, I searched online trying to find other programs, and I really only found this program in this district, and I think we are so blessed to have it because it has saved lives. I've worked in a group before with a student who said to me that if they didn't come that day, they might have done something they regret at their home because they formed such a deep connection with us, and that Unity gives people this outlet to share their issues, to understand each other more.
Our ethnicity, our race, where we talk about our struggles and our stories.
And it's also helped me make really great connections with students here on campus, and it humbles me. It makes me realize like, oh, I'm not the only one with problems, I'm not the only one with struggles, and there are people out there that really need this help.
I think Unity is a big role to take. If you're willing to hear other people's stories, if you want to learn and interact with other people, see who you relate to, I think Unity will definitely help you out. I think it's a beneficial class to take.
It's a really fun time, and like our forums that we do, they're like really fun and people like enjoy it and people want to go again and again and again.
So I think it's important because Unity is so powerful. Everything that we do has intent. So whether it be a suicide awareness campaign on campus where we're telling people that they mean the world to someone else, or it's these forums where we do raw activities where people get a chance to share a part of themselves. So I think Unity is so incredible to have in CNUSD.